Everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, it's going to be a video game themed chip bag. As you can see, I am on Google right now, and I'm just looking up video like gaming invitations just to get some ideas, see some examples. This was a requested video, so the colors that they requested were green and black. So I've been looking at the green and black ones. Just to get some ideas of what they look like. Okay, so I'm so sorry, y'all. My daughter is talking in her sleep. Okay, anywho, yes, moving on. So here are some images that I saved from Google, and I'm going to import somewhere in this page. I am not sure what any of this is going to look like. But I saw this, and this immediately, it reminded me of like an Xbox. I don't know why, but it just did. And then I'm going to send that back.
Getting rid of that contract. Wigan got a terrible contract.
Okay.
Anybody can look at that.
Back too far. Let me get rid of that. Alright, now let's insert some shapes, and let's go to a rectangle. Let's put a border. Yo, my son is snoring hard. Okay, let's take the outline off. No outline. And let's fill that in with the green color. That looks a bit off. Let me go a little bit darker.
Whatever.
Let's see how that looks. Alright, that looks a little better.
Jimmy.
Let me see if I can go to shape effects and go to glow. Let's see if we can make this glow.
Jimmy ain't signed no contract either, dude.
Alright, there we go. We have it glowing, but I think that it's glowing a little bit too much. Can we bring the glow down some? Okay, the size. Actually, let's do the glow a darker color. Yeah, like that. And let's do the size of it. Let's go to 4. Let's see what that looks like. Can't really see it. Guess we gotta bring it back up. So I'm going to format, shape effects, glow. I'm going back to more options. Let's go ahead and take this back up to 10, I guess. Let's see. Okay, that's very bright. Okay, but you know what? It works. It fits. It gives the glowing effect. So let's copy. Let's paste it up here. But because of the glow, it is now bigger than my chip bag. So let me shorten it just a little bit. Okay, that's good. And now let's go ahead and add these remotes.
Oh, I ain't missed it.
Now, upon using these remotes, I did have this Call of Duty that I wasn't sure if I was going to put on the front.
Who he sent that huge contract to?
So let me see what this looks like. Alright. Not liking that. Not at all.
Hey, that's free agent already, man.
Nope, don't like it. Alright, get out my face. Alright, let's take this image. Because this is just throwing me off. Let's actually crop this down.
He might well advance the lead right now. Ain't nobody gonna pay for that guy. We know the scoop. You know that? That man offered you Jimmy Butler. Jimmy Butler,
Alright, now I'm
free
going
agent,
to
you better
copy
take it.
this and I'm going to put it on the side.
Jimmy just got traded, right? He
I'm
ain't
going
get no deal with the
to
76ers, right?
flip it horizontal to where it mimics the other side.
Yeah.
Send back.
Yeah, see, so that wouldn't make no sense either.
Okay. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put a different picture for my front picture. Because that was just throwing me off with that Call of Duty. It just did not work. Alright, now let me crop the white out of here. Crop.
No, I ain't nobody from the trade for that nigga right now. This. Yeah.
As a matter of fact, let me see. Maybe this is throwing me off.
VMO, why didn't you pick like AD
Alright, that looks a lot better.
KD? Oh.
Alright.
Oh man, my wife over here recording,
Can you shut up? Alright, I'm going to corrections right now. Okay, that looks so much better. Now let's go to push backwards so I can bring the remote up. Actually turn this like this.
Damn, dude. It's rough, man. Yeah, tag you.
Alright, we're gonna do that like alright, that looks so much better. Y'all, that was throwing me all off. Alright, now let's copy this. I'm also gonna put it down here. Another one. I'm gonna turn this one the other way. Alright, now let's insert word art. Happy birthday. Let's say we want some black letters. Or white. Let's go with white, just so we can make it glow. Alright, let's say we want white letters. And let's say we want these letters to glow. So we go to shape effects, we go to glow, and you can go to more colors to choose the color that you want it to glow. Let's choose the green. And then you can also go to shape effects, go to glow, and go down to glow options, and you can adjust it, the transparency as well if that's too much. And we just want to turn it down a little bit. Let's go to 30%. Let's see what that does. As you see, it took it down a little bit, but it's still like, it's still coming through. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this. That way I don't got to do that all over. Paste. And I'm just going to go ahead and change the words. So let's say Noah.
I can trade that nigga for the Rosen and all reds, man.
You know, something like this. And then let's go to insert. What does all these invitations say? Let's see. Come and get your game on.
Oh.
You're invited. Okay, video game. Game on. Game on. Game on. Okay, so they all say game on. Alright, so let's go to format. Nope, click off of that picture. Insert, word art. Let's say game on. All caps. Let's do this in, I guess, white letters.
My shit can update, baby.
Glow, more glow colors. Let's see what black look like. I don't know. Let's play around with the glow a little bit. Let's see if we go to format, shape options, go to glow, glow options. What is all of this stuff? What is this? Oh, okay, no glow. Reflection. Okay. I have no idea what this is, but we're gonna try it. Let's do 20. I don't know what none of this is. Okay, that is very bright. Let's go back to glow. Let's turn this down. Nope. You know what? Let's keep it up. But we're gonna set a transparency. Okay. That don't look bad. Okay. I'm done playing with the glow.
Crazy. Now they know it would be.
Now let's see if we can get a white glow. Can we get a white glow? Ooh, that looks terrible. If it does look like that, just play around with the transparency and it won't look so bad. Okay, so that's pretty much what I got, what I came up with for the chip bag.
I take them.
I mean, not really much.
You
could put, you know,
hold on, I got you.
Picture of the actual game that they like to play.
I'll give you
but of course, if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. I'm still messing around. Go back. Okay, not bad.
You're good, you're good.
Alright, so if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys very soon.